Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this no train soap. That is a soap that you can use without cream. This soap alone can brighten your skin. However, I would say use a moisturizer because soaps will definitely dry out your skin. And there's also going to be a giveaway in this video, so I recommend you watch to the end to listen to the instructions on how you can win yourself one of this soap and win other products from my videos, right? And if it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. So excited to have you here. Okay, let's get right into this video. So these are the soaps I used. I used the K Brothers Alpha Butane soap and the K Brother collagen soap. I also added my Ghana soap and that color. So I added the Kibera soup, like I said. I also added the Bavaria glutathione soap. Then I added one um, half pink ozone soap and half yellow ozone soap, alongside with these soaps I just showed you. And then I added my one white hash ball, and then I added about um, let's say 100 gram of Ghana white soap to this formulation. I also added the honey soap and the Larissa carrot soap. I think I'll leave a picture of the honey soap on the screen so you guys can see how that is. And I also used a Cottage Fresh and Village Fresh soap. It's going to give the soap a very nice gummy consistency. That's why I like to include this in my soaps. Okay. So, like I said, I put all those things in there and I left them overnight just so that it can sit in there. This is my miracle powder. It's in block form, but I had to put a little bit of rose water to melt it. Miracle powder is good for so many things. It's used in creams and soaps. It helps with stretch marks, knuckles, and all those good things. So I'm gonna go to measure out my powders. I'm using camwood powder. I'm using sandalwood. I'm using goat's milk. I'm using kojic acid. I'm using kojic dip. And that's kojic the palmitate and turmeric powder. But for my turmeric, I substituted with my turmeric oil. So I'm just going to be measuring 1 tablespoon of all of these powders. I'm using 1 tablespoon each. This soap is very rich. There is no way this soup is not going to lighten it. This soup is very rich. Okay, so I've added that. I'm using the warm rose water that I used to dissolve the miracle powder. So um, I also use that so that my powders are smooth, because most of these powders, if they are not dissolved properly, you can see them. They have particles in your soap, and then when you use your soap, you can still see the particles on them. Any soap that you see particles in, trust me, is a purely organic soap. Most soaps that don't have particles in them, probably you just use oil and concentrates and serums without any powders. But most times, if you use powders like this, it's going to have particles in your soap. Okay. Now I'm just going to continue to add my powders and dissolve them. So for my giveaway in this video, I'm saying that for all the videos I'm going to be dropping videos back to back because you guys drop a lot of awesome requests. I'm going to be making them back to back because I'm free at the moment, so I'm going to make lots of videos. So here is how you can get yourself one of these products. You have to watch the video, so you have to take a screenshot of you watching the video from the beginning to the end, as well as you taking screenshots of you watching my ads. Okay, so your get is monetized, but a lot of people usually skip ads. Oh yes, I added 1 tablespoon of Tava's powder as well, so just to dissolve. That's Tower Snow White powder, so it's going to dissolve in there. So as I was saying, take a screenshot of um you starting the video and you ending the video and you watching the ads in between, as well as a comment drop. So that's 5 things: starting the video, commenting on the video, screenshot of you watching my ads. There are 2 ads in this video, and then the end of this video. Now, I will know if you're being honest, and if you're not being honest, you do not get the soap, it's going to move on to the next person. I'm thinking of giving two people actually out of this product because it came out really, really much. So I'll give two people out of this product. So yeah, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp, of course, in the description box. So you can WhatsApp me the proof, and then we're going to talk about how we can get this soap across to you. Okay? All right. So I added honey. I added one third cup of honey. I had added my I added six whitening balls. That's the green one. And then I added my chamomile infused oil. So I have sunflower, chamomile buds, and turmeric, which I've infused for over 2 months now. So I added that oil as well into this soap. I also added my almond oil into this soap. Like I always say, I always like to go for my natural organic products, put them inside first before adding my concentrates and oils, because most of these concentrates and oils are very sensitive to heat. I'm going to be using the glitter white concentrate. I love the way this concentrate smells. It also has the soap and the cream. I think I will do a review of that product. Let me know if you would like for me to do a review of that product. It's really, really nice um, on the skin. It's a very, very nice product. I added half a bottle of the white now oil. This is also very, very good skin brightening oil. So I'm adding just half a bottle. This soap is very rich in oils because you're going to be using it for long. So I want this soap to be as moisturizing as possible. However, you will still need a moisturizer or an oil or glow oil or something after using this soap. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use the brownstone oil. This is a very, very good oil. If you make moisturizing oil, glue oils for light skin or caramel skin, you can use bronzestone oil. I'm going to be using half a bottle of bronzestone oil in this soap as well. I'm going to go ahead to stir that in. This is going to loosen up a bit. It's going to become very watery. But yeah, I like that because I'm going to later add some more soap to make it thicker. Honestly, I'm just eyeballing the soap. I know the recipe by heart. But I'm gonna try to talk to you guys and give you measurements as I go. Okay, so this is how it is. I usually just go ahead to stick blend or use a hand blender just to get all of that goodie in there. So this is the infusion I talked about. This is the turmeric and sunflower oil and chamomile bud infusion that I added to my soup. I'm going to go ahead to use my pimento concentrate. I'm using one bottle of pimento concentrate. Of course, if you know the original pimento, it's glass and it has the pimento written by the side. So I'm going to be adding one bottle of the pimento. Pimento gives a very yellow undertone in creams and soap. It gives a very yellow undertone. So it definitely brightens. I'm using the Nature's Secret oil as well. I'm using half a bottle of Nature's Secret oil. I'm also going to be using half a bottle of the Teatel oil. I'm putting my Nature's Secret in there because there's no wastage over here. So I'm going to use half a bottle, shake it up, and add it in there. Okay. I used 3 drops of tea tree oil as well. I added a little bit of neem oil just for any reaction or breakout because some people will use this soap on their face. It's okay to use on your face as well, but you want to be very careful with how you use this soap. Don't leave it on for too long on your face. You can leave it on your body for quite a while, but for your face, Please don't leave it on your face. So I'm going to be adding my skin free milk. I'm using 1 tablespoon of skin free milk. Skin free milk is very, very active, and so I'm going to be using just 1 tablespoon. Mine is almost finished, so it's going to be about a tablespoon and more. I'm just going to be using that amount of skin free milk in this formulation. I'm going to be using the Shiny Perfect Legs. This definitely helps to lighten and helps to make sure that your leg is even. This is my neem oil, like I said. I'm just going to put 1 tablespoon to help with reaction. I also added the Santa lotion for feet in this formulation because I believe that you want a soap that blends every part of your body from head to toe. So you don't want a soap that brightens other parts and then leaves your hands and feet looking as dark as ever. So I'm going to continue to stir that in. Like I said, I used 3 drops of tea tree oil. I did that off camera, but I just wanted to show you guys. Then I'm using my 7 days perfecto serum. I'm going to put half a bottle first. It's a very small amount of oil, so I'm going to put half a bottle first, and then I will add the rest later. So I went ahead to stick blend this, and you can see it's now smoother and more like a body wash, like a liquid soap. So I'm going to thicken it up by adding more cottage fresh or village fresh soap, and this is it on the stove. As you can see, it's beginning to thicken. I'm using the double boiling method. I didn't leave that on for too long because I don't want my products to be lost to heat. So as you can see, this is I took out of it the liquid portion. As you can see, it's very, very gel like. I'm going to use that to make a body wash. I'm going to add probably carrot or papaya juice. Now I'm going to go ahead to add the other halves of my bottles because I don't want to lose those actives to the heat. So I'm just going to go ahead to add the other half of my bottles into the soap, just in case we've lost some of the potency when I cooks the soap. If you're cooking your soap, please don't use a direct heat. Use the double boiling method like I did, because exposing your soap to direct heat definitely is going to affect the soap, the potency of the soap, as well as people have said that it causes reaction and makes people itch when using this soap. Okay, so I'm adding just half a bottle of towel serum. This serum or concentrate is very, very strong, and too much of it is going to leave serious discoloration. So I'm just going to be using half a bottle in my formulation. Oh god, I this polish I have on recently, I do not like. I don't just like the way it makes my hand look at all. So that's half of that. So I'm adding my lemon clear oil. I'm adding the entire bottle. Lemon clear is a very, very good oil. People use it they use that for cream, they use it for soap, they use it for body oils. They also use the tube for um, spot removal, um, back tie, and all of that. But it's also very concentrated, so you want to be very careful how you use it. But I'm using 1 bottle of lemon clear oil in this formulation. So I'm just going to go ahead to stir in. As you can see, it's really, really oily, really, really um, oily. Like I said, I want it to have lots of oils that penetrate into the skin and glow the skin as well as lighten the skin. So it has a lot of oils in it. I'm just going to keep stirring and stirring till everything is fully incorporated. So this is the soap after everything has been put in. Our soap is looking nice and clean. I took the pH of this soap and I'm going to show you guys. I had a pH of about 8, which to me is very okay for our soap. Soap is supposed to be alkaline, but if you want to lower the pH to about 7, that's okay as well. But this is going to be at a pH of 8. So that's the pH of this soap. I'm gonna show you guys the consistency. So as you can see, it's gummy. I like that gummy-like soap. I like that paste, gummy-like consistency. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. It's just the right consistency for you to be able to scoop and rub into your skin. I don't want a soap that is way too hard. Okay. As you can see, it's very shiny and glossy. That's because of the oils. This is how the soap is looking. Okay. So if you want to get one of this, I'm giving it to 2 subscribers. Of course, I'm going to make other videos, and so every video I make, I'm going to be giving away the product. All right. So if you want to grab yourself one of this, follow the instruction like I said in the beginning of the video, and then send your proof to my WhatsApp contact, and then we'll talk later about how you can get this product. Okay. This is also available for sale. If you're interested, send me a message and I can get one of these across to you as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're having the best of the best time. I know I am. It's the festive period. And so, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be safe. I'll see you.